Today we're going to create a basic HTML form. Let's dive in. Start by opening your HTML file and adding a form tag. This is where your form elements will go. Inside the form tag, you can add different types of input fields. Let's start with a text input. Start with input tag and set type to be equal to text. Name equal to name, placeholder as your name. Next, let's add a submit button with input tag and set type as submit. Value also submit. You can also add other inputs like radio buttons or checkboxes. For example, a radio button looks like this. Input tag, then set type at radio. Name as gender. Value is male. And a checkbox. Start with input tag. Set type checkbox. Name as subscribe. Value as newsletter. Don't forget to add a label tag for each input to make your form more user-friendly. Here's a quick example with a text input and a submit button. That's it! Your basic HTML form is ready. If you enjoyed this, like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.